Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today's Wednesday, May 7th, and we finally have Tula Pink in stock for you again. This is Full Moon Forest 2. Full Moon Forest 2 is the culmination of things Tula Pink has learned along the way and the ways she has evolved, improved, and achieved clarity over the years. In this new collection, she revisits each of the prints in her very first collection and reimagines them with all of the things she's learned. Rabbits, owls, squirrels, and more in Tula's shades of pink, green, blue, and where was I? Pink, green, blue, and purple will blend beautifully with her new True Colors 2025 prints. That's how new it is, you guys. The new True Colors are also in stock here, along with a kit, fat quarter bundles, and Renaissance ribbon, and we'll show you those over the next few days of videos. So her collections are always anticipated and very exciting, and you'll recognize some of these guys from previous groups. I think it's kind of a fun look back for her to see all the things that she's done in the past and then improved upon. And I do love the bunnies. We showed you the bunnies just in the last stack, but they are very fun. And then here is another owl. Love that detail. So again, we have this in the shop along with Tula's new True Colors and some precuts and some kits. So be sure to check online. I'll be putting the link for all of this new stuff in the video description today. And again, we'll be back later on tomorrow and Friday to show you the rest of the group. Have a great afternoon, and we will see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.